Hey kids, are you ready to move and have fun? Let's learn action words together. Run, run. Say it, run. Great job. Now run, run, run. Jump, jump. Say it, jump. Wow, jump high, jump. Walk, walk. Say it, walk. Nice and slow. Walk, walk, walk. Clap, clap. Say it, clap. Clap your hands. Clap, clap. Dance, dance. Say it, dance. Let's dance together. Sit, sit. Say it, sit. Sit down nicely. Good job. Stand, stand. Say it, stand. Stand up tall. Great. Sleep, sleep. Say it, sleep. Shh, sleepy time. Eat, eat. Say it, eat. Yummy, yummy. Eat.
Quiz time! Are you ready? Okay, kids, let's play a fun guessing game. Look carefully, think fast, and say the answer out loud. Quiz 1. Which one is this? Is it run or sleep? Yes, run! Great job. You're super fast. Quiz 2. Look carefully. Is it jump or sit? Awesome! Jump! You're doing amazing. Quiz 3. What is this? Clap or walk? Correct. Clap. Let's clap together. Quiz 4. Can you guess? Run or sleep? Yes, sleep. So calm and cozy. Quiz 5. Speed round. Ready for a fast game? Say it quick. Are you ready? Go! Run, jump, clap, dance, eat. Wow, you are amazing! Super smart and super fast. Give yourself a big clap. You did so amazing. Let's play again. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel for more fun learning games. See you in the next video. Bye!